Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create t-shirt mockups in Canva. The first thing you want to do once you are signed in to canva.com, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option. And right where you see apps, you're going to tap right there. After tapping on apps, I want you to scroll down and I want you to select the app right here that says mockups. If you don't see this app, I would recommend that you tap in the search bar and you're going to type in mockups. Then you're going to tap on mockups. Once you have done that, a pop-up is going to appear. From here, you can use in existing design. So for example, if you have a design template open already, you can tap right here. Or if you would like to create a new design, you can tap in use in new design. Then from there, you can add the size that you want. But let's say I want to create one for a Facebook post landscape. I would simply tap on that. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the design page, as you can see right here. So you can see that we have a blank canvas. Now you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And in the left-hand menu option, you're going to see numerous templates that you can choose from. All we'll need to do, right where you see popular, you're going to tap on see all. After you have tapped on see all, you can see a few t-shirt designs right here. So let's say I wanted to use this one. All I would have to do is simply tap on it. And by the way, there are other templates that you could choose from if you don't want to use this particular one. But because I don't want to draw out the tutorial, I'll simply be using this one right here. All you'll need to do now, you can simply increase the size, as you can see right there. Then you're going to add your design. So you'll go over to the left-hand menu option once more, tap on uploads. Then from there, you can upload your design that you'd like to add to the t-shirt. So let's say, for example, I want to add the verses right here. You're going to simply tap and drag and you're going to place it right on the t-shirt. After you have done that, it is going to take a few seconds. And then from there, you're going to see your new t-shirt mockup, as you can see right here. It looks very realistic. Once it is finished, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share. After you have tapped on share, you're going to scroll down and you can tap on download. And then from there, you'll be able to download your new design, as you can see right here. It is now downloading, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. As you can see right here, this is it.